Hello YouTube, Model Building Community, Scott here again with video number 2 from my Hobby Lobby haul. I picked up some kits. If you watched the first video, I mentioned I was going to make another video with just the kits by themselves. So this is the first one I picked up. I don't have this one. Some of the ones that I picked up I already have or have built, but this one is not one of them. It's a pretty cool truck. I really like the wheels and tires on it. Should be a fun kit when I can get to it. So, like I said, this is gonna be a stash it video. So that's the first one we got. Then we picked up this one, which I've already built that one before. That was a pretty cool kit. And you got the different engines you can do, stock or custom or Pro Street. And to stay with the Pro Street, I have this one already. It's in my storage with the rest of my stash, except for what I've been getting. But I got this one, the Pro Street. Everybody knows this kit, I'm pretty sure. That's a pretty cool kit. I know a lot of you guys have used this kit for the back half and used them on other models because of the tubbed out frame. Then the next one is another Pro Street, which I don't have this kit in my other stash from when I had my hobby room. But I know Fred Henry over there, Pappy, he's gonna be doing a build along video with the 55 Chevy Bel Air kit that I do have that one, and I wish I could jump in on the build along, but I can't because I can't spray paint. But I picked up that one, the Chevelle. I'm a pretty big fan of Chevelles, as my brother, my older brother, my only brother, used to have a 71 Chevelle Malibu. But he doesn't anymore. He does have a Dodge Challenger 2008, but anyway, so I picked up that then because I like vans and I like custom vans. I'm more of a Chevy fan, but I picked up this one because it was cheap compared to the other ones. But yeah, this one I'm gonna try something pretty cool with when I get to building it. I don't think this one has a custom interior with the bed in the back and stuff, but it does have Firestone tires, the white liner tires, and all them decals. But so we picked up that one, and the next one I picked up, this little car kind of goes with it. I did not pick this up at Hobby Lobby though, but this here little Volkswagen Beetle, my grandmother, who raised me, used to have one of these when I was little, and it was this exact color. She used to bring me down to the bus stop in it. This is one of them little pullback cars, but anyway, to go with that, since I don't have one of these, I picked up that kit, which is going to be a tribute build for my grandmother, who is no longer with us, but I'm going to build that for tribute to her because I remember this car. I do have a picture where when I was little, I was one of them kids growing up that used to play with Hot Wheels cars in the dirt, and my grandmother happened to take a picture of me playing with my cars in the dirt in the front yard, and in the background you can see this car that she used to have. So that was the last kit that I picked up from Hobby Lobby. And then yesterday when I got home, I had a delivery of a kit that I ordered. I'm still waiting on one more, which I don't know why it's taking so long to get from where I got it from, but I'm not gonna say what that kit is. But I picked up this one here on eBay. It's the 3-in-1 boat kit. Comes with the boat trailer. That little cheapy looking trailer, but I do plan on building it like that when I do build it, because that boat reminds me of the one that used to be in my grandparents' yard when I was growing up. Kind of looked like that, and I used to sit in it and pretend like I was driving it when I was a little kid. So we picked up that one. There's some more pictures on the back. There it is there. But the boat that my grandparents had, the engine was in the back. but it might have been like right around the same year as this, I guess. But pretty cool kit. Yeah, and like usual, most of the kits I pick up, I have watched HPI guys' videos on review, and he lets you know how the model kit turns out, if there's issues. You know, most of you guys are probably subscribed to him, so anyway, that's what I've picked up so far, and hopefully you guys watched the first video. And this is video number 2. As always, thanks for watching. Happy building. And take care. See you in the next video.